Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a product that has been making waves in the world of home cleaning: active washing machine cleaner Descaler tablets. If you're looking for the best washing machine cleaner to combat mold and odors, stay tuned because this might just be what you need. Let's take a closer look at these tablets. This pack comes with 24 powerful effervescent tablets designed specifically for high efficiency and standard washing machines. Each tablet is formulated to penetrate the tough grime and hard water buildup that can accumulate in both front-loading and top-loading washers. Using these tablets is incredibly straightforward. Simply drop one tablet into your washer's drum, set your machine to a hot water cycle, and let the tablet do its magic. You don't need to scrub or wipe anything down. The powerful foaming action cleans away deposits, leaving your machine fresh and odor-free. What's great about these tablets is that they're eco-friendly and septic safe. This means you can clean your machine without worrying about harming your plumbing or the environment. Many traditional cleaners come in liquid form, contributing to waste. These compact tablets not only reduce that waste but are also easier to store. Now, let's talk about why keeping your washing machine clean is so essential. Over time, mold and mildew can build up in the rubber gaskets and drum of your washer, leading to unpleasant odors and dirty laundry. This not only affects your washer's performance but can also transfer those unwanted smells to your freshly washed clothes. By using these cleaning tablets regularly, you can prevent that buildup and keep your laundry smelling fresh. At a price of $18.95 for a 24-pack, this product gives you a 12-month supply of cleaning power, which is a great deal compared to many competitors that only offer 5 or 6 tablets per package. That means you can maintain a clean washer without breaking the bank. In my experience using the active washing machine cleaner, I noticed a significant difference after just one use. The fresh scent and the efficiency of my washer improved dramatically. I was impressed by how well it worked, especially considering the minimal effort involved. Many of us face the challenges of laundry odor, especially in homes with pets or larger families. This product tackles those issues head-on. By keeping your washing machine clean, you not only prolong its life but also enhance the quality of your laundry results. Now, you might be wondering, can I use these tablets in any washer? Absolutely. They are compatible with brands like GE, LG, Samsung, Whirlpool, and Maytag, among others. Just ensure you're not using them in a dryer, as they are specifically designed for washing machines. To summarize, the active washing machine cleaner Descaler tablets offer powerful, easy-to-use cleaning that is safe for the environment and your plumbing. With a year's supply at a great price, you can say goodbye to mold and hello to a fresher laundry experience. If you're interested in purchasing these tablets, check out the link in the description below. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product reviews. Until next time, happy cleaning.